How do you stop your clients questioning your price, like asking you how much you cost? Well, this is a decent subject, but I'm going to tell you the number one way in just a second. So, because it's a big subject and I'd love to help you end to end with this, I've actually got a 5-part workshop series coming up. So, there's a link to register. I recommend that you register as soon as possible. It is coming up soon, and we can work together on this. Right now, the number one way that you can actually implement right now in your bookkeeping practice, I've done it, all my clients do it. It's transformational and it's so simple. So when a prospective client comes through, that's that first interaction, they're going to become a client. Please never ask them ever again, what do you need? Okay, what do you need equals what do you cost? So when I changed that to tell me about yourself, oh my goodness. Okay, when somebody tells you about themselves, cost goes out the window. It's all about value. So that one simple shift. Now, there are so many simple shifts that will help you to thrive as a bookkeeper in practice. And I'm diving into them all in this 5-part series. So click the link to register and I'll see you there.